Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce a very important data type, the pointer. For many beginners just getting into programming, pointers can be pretty confusing, especially when you start using them in real applications. But don't worry, we will take it step by step and understand it together. Okay, so what exactly is a pointer? A pointer is a data type that holds the memory address of another variable. It allows us to directly interact with the values stored in that memory location. As shown in the diagram, imagine we have several variables stored in the memory. A pointer can point to any of them and let us work with their values directly. Now, you might be wondering, why do we even need pointers and what kind of situation require them? Okay, let's take it one step at a time. We will start by learning how to declare and define a pointer. The first thing we need to specify is what type of variable will this pointer point to. For example, if I want a pointer that points to an integer, I will begin with int, just like when declaring a normal variable. But here's the difference. After the type, I need to add an asterisk. This tells the compiler it is a pointer. Okay, then I give it a name. And here's a good habit. If you don't yet know what the pointer should point to, initialize it with null ptr. It simply means it is a null pointer, or not pointing to anything yet. And next, let's define a regular integer a and assign it a value like 10. Now, I want my pointer to point to a. At first, you might think we can do something like this, but that's actually incorrect. Why? Because a pointer stores a memory address, not a direct value. So we need to use the symbol called the address of operator to get the address of variable a. So it should be like this. Now that the pointer is pointing to a, let's try printing the value it is pointing to. If you try printing p directly, you will probably just see a weird number. That's the memory address, not the actual value. So to get the value stored at that address, we need to dereference the pointer by adding an asterisk before it. That tells the program, give me the value stored at the memory address this pointer is pointing to. Now, in this simple example, pointers might not seem very useful yet. You might think, why not just create a new variable b and assign a to it? It is the same thing, right? And yes, for now, it may seem like there's no real difference. But trust me, the real power of pointers is just getting started. I'm leaving a little cliffhanger here. Okay? In this video, we covered how to declare and define pointers, and how to use the address of and dereference operators. In the next video, we will get into the core idea of pointers, and that's when things will really get interesting. See you in the next video.